which will hurt to introduce fuel after the engine burns and give us that extra thrust that we need to bring the noise to you, Kansas City.
Ready for that one? Hit the afterburner?
From the left, the Cobra.
Cobra! Oh, this is great. Hold back.
Ready for lineup. You're on glide slope.
6.9, over the shower. Recommend keep good.
Roger Ball. You're on glide slope. You're on center line. Little power to catch it. There's glide slope. Right for lineup. Wave off. Foul deck. Ladies and gentlemen, with tailhooks down, our show pass. Ladies and gents, I think we scared away the clouds as we have blue skies coming up for those A-10s. From left to right, the opposing breakdown. Tailhook flight demonstration and gained a better appreciation and understanding for the rich heritage of U.S. mail carrier aviation. For updates on the team and upcoming events, we can be found on Instagram, #Growler Legacy Team. On behalf of the United States Navy and Electronic Attack Squadron 129, thank you for coming out and enjoy the rest of the show.
Way to go, Seth. Love this. Vergari, co-sign up with way to go, Lieutenant. Nice narration, nice show, and thanks for your guys. And folks, that's
military demo scripts I've ever heard. Ever.
Yes, indeed.
I really was. Nicely put. Look at this. Look at that crowd. And a rifle.
and they plan it. They practice every landing. When they're at a naval air station, there is painted on the runway the deck of the carrier, and they have to put it down on that postage stamp every time. Every landing is graded.
Yeah, they did that on my flight to Houston last week too, right? I mean, slammed her right down, and oh boy.
Yeah, buddy. We thank the folks at Garmin, the presenting and title sponsor of the Garmin KC Airshow. The sense of history that exists when you're in that aircraft, or any World War II aircraft, considering what was done and the price that was paid by so many to keep us free during those years from 1935 to 1945 was so significant. It is the sense of history, the sense of awe, and the sense of honor, that sense of thankfulness that we have to give all those men and women who fought in the war.
If you're not being shot at or shelled, it's a phenomenal airplane to ride in.
Yes.
And there won't be any of that tonight around the KC Airshow. So go enjoy a living history flight and Go back in time. The Boeing B-17. Texas Raiders down there. I'm telling you, the price will long be forgotten when this